Another essential element for handling your automation tasks, in addition to the function range of the 3 languages as described above, is the program editor, which you use for actually developing your program. Since one and the same program editor is used for ladder, FBD, and STL, you can generate your program block by block and specify the programming language individually for each block as required. The program editor lets you choose between 2 types of programming. With source-oriented programming, you write a program source which is then compiled into the executable program code. With incremental programming, which we are going to present to you here, the program is immediately checked and compiled as it is entered, so that only syntactically correct blocks are created. We will show you here the main function areas of the program editor, which are displayed in different windows. Navigation in the editor is made quick and easy by the editor's Windows-conforming user interface with its familiar look and feel. Let us first have a look at the Program Elements catalog, which, like all editor windows, can be shown or hidden. The catalog contains in a clearly arranged structure all available graphical program elements for the programming languages ladder and function block diagram. It also shows you the user-created blocks and the system function blocks provided by Step 7. The elements and blocks listed here can now be quickly and comfortably placed in your program by drag and drop or by double-clicking. To generate the program, the editor offers you a so-called program generation area. You use this area to structure and develop your program. The editor assists you, for example, by creating networks, which are self-contained program sections within a block. Each network can be given a title to allow quick orientation in very long programs. Moreover, networks can contain a freely editable comment in which the program content is precisely and exhaustively described. In a detail window, you can call up additional information which you need as you develop your program. For instance, you can display in this window for a better overview all global variables used so far in a project, such as inputs, outputs, timers, or counters. A very useful feature during program generation is the context-sensitive help function. When you highlight an object and hit the F1 key, a help window is opened with additional information on that particular object. No more laborious searches through lengthy user manuals are necessary. To make programming even easier, the program editor offers you the possibility to assign symbolic addresses to the operands and variables used in the program. Symbolic addressing uses names instead of the numerical absolute address. This makes your program more easily readable. With the program editor, you can edit the symbolic addresses of both block-specific and program-wide, that means globally valid, variables. All variables used within a block can be created quickly and comfortably in the variable declaration table. They are referred to as block local variables, such as the input and output parameters or the local data used in the block. These variables consist of the name, the data type, and an optional comment, and also, where applicable, an initial value that is used when the block executes for the first time. Project-wide used variables are created in the symbol table. The symbol editor can be started directly from the program editor. The symbol table includes, for instance, digital and analog inputs and outputs, global data such as memory bits and data blocks, as well as timers. The structure of the global symbol table can be compared to the table for the local variables. Moreover, detailed equipment IDs can be entered in it for quick identification of sensors and actuators.